Hello beautiful traders, you're welcome to another wonderful video episode. And now on this video I want to be showing you how you can use a simple strategy that has been overlooked over time, but yet it has a high win rate record, and that is what we call support and resistance. This support and resistance is something that works across all pairs, right? I'll show you the trade we took on gold, I'll show you the trade we took on GJ, and also on BTC USD using this simple support and resistance strategy. Right now, you also know that support area is an area where you want to look for what? Buying opportunity, right? Buying opportunity. And the resistance area is an area where you want to be looking for what? Selling opportunity. Now follow me, don't complicate issues. This is where people get complicated, when they learn too much and they overthink in the market, and that's the reason why they don't make money every time. Now I'm going to be going back on trade that we took, right? This is XAUSD, right? Now I will just cut off a particular section so that just to walk you through and see how the market has been behaving. So now on this particular section, this is 1 hour time frame, so I will just scale down to 15 minutes time frame to let you see what the market is doing. Now on the 15-minute time frame, what can you notice? You'll notice that the market has been respecting a particular support area. Like I said, support area is where you want to look for buy. Imagine when the price got here, you bought from here and to this zone, right? You'd have made a lot of money. So now our point of interest is here. So whenever price gets to this zone, what we have been looking for is just to look for what? A long opportunity. Just imagine you bought from here and you took a profit from here and you just risking just 90 pips. This is about 1:3 risk to the world. Did you see that? Right? And if you look at this particular level too, this is an area of resistance. So price failed to break above this zone. So once you are able to understand this area on your chart, just go on 15-minute time frame and wait for it to play out. All right? So now price eventually broke below this particular zone, you see. And if you look in time past, price has been respecting this particular area. Did you see that? Price has been respecting particular zone. So but here it was able to fall below, which means it disrespected this support. So now what you should be looking at for now? Support area. So what you should be looking at for now, if price come back on this particular zone, it becomes a resistance. So when price break below this support, it has to come back to touch it, which is what? A resistance. So this is what we call flip zone. When the support now turns to what? Resistance. This is something you were taught earlier in your foundation class as a Forex student. You see that this was initially what? Support. So price break below that support, it has to come back to test it as a resistance, then you what? Sell, right? On the support is where you want to buy, on the resistance is where you want to sell. So if I'm on the support, I'll be looking for buy. Just to rephrase again, if I'm on resistance area, I want to be looking for what? Selling opportunity. So now that price has broken below this zone, so my bias has to change. I will stop looking for buying opportunity, then I'll be looking for selling opportunity. So let's play the market one more time. You see? So we're waiting for price to come back to this area of resistance, right? Now this has become our flip zone. Did you see? So here now you're just going to mark it as a zone, because whether I'm using line or something is a zone. So once you notice a particular candlestick, you can see we have a bearish engulfing candlestick here, right? Now on this bearish engulfing candlestick, if you are an aggressive trader, you can go in here, right? Now an aggressive trader means that you just want to go in with one candlestick formation, but try and see where you can put your stop loss. So long as my stop loss can be here. Sometimes I even like to give my stop loss more chance to break. I might even put it above this particular weak rejection that I'm seeing here. Right now, if I just put it above this resistance level here, it's about let's just say 200 pips, right? And you know gold is highly volatile, right? Now I'll be looking at higher time frame to do this. This 15-minute time frame. This will be my first TP, right? My second TP will just be on this particular level here, right? Now I'll be looking at cashing out 1:3 here. That's what my strategy always gives me. So let's play the market. We hit TP1 immediately, right? Now TP1 here as it's in this, because of it is on the support, we are trying to see what? A bullish entry, right? So now another trader might be looking to buy from here, but you are already selling because you are looking at the higher time frame, because this particular structure is a bearish trend, right? So now for anybody who is buying, we're targeting this resistance to take profit, but because you are selling, you would have closed partial profit here and move stop loss to break even, right? So let's continue the market. Did you see that price came back into the, let's say price took it out on break even, you enter again upon price action or candlestick formation. So you just be watching out to see what the candlestick will do, right? Now you can see what is happening now. So price is forming a base here. Price is now forming a base here. Did you see that? Price is forming a base here. So we want to see if price is able to maintain and break above this level and come back on this same line that was initially a support here. If you come out to reclaim that support position, then you are going to be buying. But if it does not do that and it fails to do that, and you see a bearish engulfing candle that break below this support, then you continue what? Your sell bias resumes. Your stop loss above here, you see target here, which is first TP, TP1, then you're looking at final TP, which is 1:3. So let's play the market. Alright, so we're still looking at waiting for a breakout candle, either to the upside or to the downside. You can see price tried to break above, but there was a weak rejection, alright, to the downside. Let's continue. Now, what happened here? You see this strong bearish candle, but it didn't still break below. It tried to get here, but there was a weak rejection back to the zone. So there's a power tussle there between buyers and sellers. Now we now have that bearish candle. Did you see that? You have the bearish candle, but price still went back. So let's say you're already in this market, right? Your stop loss is here. You're just risking around 40 pips. Now let's play the market. Let's see what happens next. You can see price dropped immediately. This is just power of support and resistance, right? Price drop immediately. TP1 match TP2. Boom. Did you see that? Before you know it, you have already done 1:4 risk to reward. This is 1:4 risk to reward. So you make profit here. Price took it out on break even. Then here, you can imagine how much you would have made here, right? So now price is now back on this zone. What do you want to do? You want to look for what? Buying opportunity, because this is what? Another what? Support here, right? You want to look for buying opportunity here. The stop loss just below that zone, right? And allow market to play out. This is 1:3. You see that? Let's play the market again. What happened? Price moved up immediately, right? You see? Boom, TP1 smashed. Right now TP2 smash. Did you see that? Just by trading support and resistance, just by trading what? Support and resistance. So right now price has taken your TP, smashing your TP. 1:4 risk to reward. Imagine you got 1:4 here, another 4 here. You've passed your profit account in one day. So this is how to stay glued to a particular trade and understand what the market is doing, right? So here right now, I want to see another reason if I will be selling. If I can get to see a bearish engulfing candle here, I will go for this sell. And if I didn't see that, I will go for what? A buy opportunity. If price break above this resistance, come back to retest that support, then I buy. Very simple, right? Now let's see what happens. Let's put this aside. Let's see what happens. Right, let's see what happened. Let's play the market. Now what happened? Price came down. Let's say price, this was where I got in yesterday after I saw this bearish engulfing candle. So I got in on the trade here yesterday. My stop loss was just above this zone, right? Then I was risking all the way down here, right? Now let's see what happened to the market. What happened? Price immediately smashed our TP. Did you see that? This happened yesterday. I'm currently filming on Wednesday morning. This was Tuesday market, right? Now price got here. Now you can see you can also enter for a buy again. Let the price come back and smash the support area again. You can see price got to this support, right? You go in for a buy. This is what you're looking at for. You can literally take 5 trades even in a day on one particular pair. If you know what you are doing, you target this particular zone again. Now this is gold, the almighty gold that people are scared of. Now this is how to approach this market without fear. Now let's go again for a buy. Did you see? Right? TP1 smashed. Now price is ascending to our TP2. Right? This is 1:2.4 risk to reward. Did you see that? Boom, TP smash again. Did you see? Right? Now very smooth. Now don't forget, this is our area of support, right, and resistance, flip zone area, right? You see? So if price break above this zone, I'll be looking for buys. So I won't be looking for selling again if price get here, because I've seen something that directs me that price is no more going to sell, is now continue to buy, right? But if the sellers are here, I will see a bearish engulfing candle, of which it has happened, right? You see? We see a bearish engulfing candle. Like I said, if you want to go in as an aggressive trader, you can go in here for your sell, and okay, you target here again for a buy. All right, but make sure you know what you are risking, because sometimes you never can tell when this market, when the strategy can violate because now you're looking for a buy or a sell, because you've seen a very significant candle, price can still do you dirty, go like this and now go up. So make sure you either wait for a second level entry. I like to see more reaction on this zone. If I really want to look for sell, I like to see what price we still do. Let it be some kind of either weak rejection or something. So before I go in for anything, let's see what the market do. You can see price push, came back again. So this is a double bottom, right? Now that's a double top rather. So let's see what's happening. So price is now forming an angle. You see what happened? Price is forming a double bottom here. So right now I won't be going in for a sell. Now we have avoided the loss, right? Did you see that? So now price has broken above this zone. So what I'll be waiting for, let price come back into this area, and I'll be looking for buy. That's pretty much simple. And this is the current market that's going to happen right now on Wednesday. So we are on the right market right now. So let's see what is up, the kind of trade we took yesterday on BTC USD, right? Which is very smooth. I called out this trade while I was on live TikTok yesterday, and everybody on my TikTok live makes money, right? If you're not on that TikTok channel, send me a DM. I'll be able to add you to that TikTok. And if you also want to be part of our Telegram community, you have the free, we have the paid. The free one is for free. We only drop one signal there per day. But on the VIP, that's where we drop at least 4-5 signals every day. As long as we are seeing the signals, we are dropping it for you. And currently, we are on a particular program where we are doing $10 to 10K challenge. We started in October, we are ending in December. So this is November, and we're in the first week. You can still join us on that challenge, right? But you need to be in the VIP community. The VIP community is just $100, but we are doing 70% discount. So the first 5 people who is watching this video right now that they send me a DM will get $30 to join, right? Because we are giving you 70%, which is just $30 to register, no more $100, right? So if you want to do all that, the link to contact with me will be in the video description below, right? So now back on BTC USD. Now look at what happened. I discovered that we have a support here, right? All I needed to see is a breakout of the market, right? Now I went a little bit aggressive here, because now when the price was here, right? When the price was here, right? I was waiting for a breakout, right? I was waiting for a break below this candle so that I can sell. But I needed to see where will I put my stop loss. You can see I had to put my stop loss above this high, because I knew that market can do us dirty. Market always want to grab liquidity before selling, right? And if you want to buy, you want to grab liquidity before buying. So watch out for those two things. So now if you are taking a trade, you need to look for a proper way to set or what your stop loss. So what I did was I put my stop loss above this zone, and what happened? Look at what market did. Price initially came down, right, with a very strong bearish candle, but ended up with a what? A hammer. So price came back here, gave us a double top. Then I knew that now my stop loss is safe, right? Very close to what taking us out, right? Now I only risk what I can afford to lose, right? Now this is where the profits start flowing in right now. Now market came back, we entered here. I told my team I'll be scaling in more trade if we can break below. So price break below, this was where I was on live. I told them on TikTok, enter, and the people on TikTok entered for here, right? From here. And the market went straight towards to take profit. Boom, smash TP, right? So we took out 1:2 from here, right? So but I wouldn't want this video to be that long, because I also want to show you a trade that we took on GJ, and overnight we were able to smash TP on GJ. Right now GJ has come back to that same area, and we are looking for to smash our TP, right? Now GJ came to this area. You can see we took our trade from here, right? And what happened? GJ smashed TP overnight, smashed our TP overnight. Did you see that? Let's play the market. All right, did you see smash our TP overnight? Now GJ is now back into the zone. So if you are looking for buys, you can see right now this is support area. This happened overnight during the Asian session. You can easily still go in for a buy and smash the market again one more time. So what happened? It came back again on that entry. Did you see? So right now you have make more money. Did you see that? Now TP smash. Did you see TP smash? All right. So what happens that point? You can see here is 1:2, here is 1:2. So 4% bashed within the twinkle of an eye. Did you see that? So this is how you can use support and resistance to make money for yourself. It's quite easy. Support and resistance work. Don't fall for all those new terms that is just coming up trying to rebrand an old image, right? An old OG still work, right? And that's what I'm trying to show you guys here. So, but I'm not looking down on any strategy you're using, whether ICT or what. I teach them in my academy. I teach ICT. I teach everything. Quasimodo, a Malaysian support and resistance. I'll be doing that very soon here. But here, I just want to let you know that all things still work. This is just using support and resistance strategy. And that's what I'll be using to enter trade again today once the market presents itself. I like to keep my trade simple. Now, if you find value in this video, make sure you smash the like button, share this link, subscribe to this channel. My name is Golden Trade. I like to share trade like ideas like this with you, so as to help in your trading journey and become more profitable. We are currently open for the November registration mentorship. You can register and be part of us. Let's teach you how to trade the market like a pro. So thank you if you are watching this particular moment. I'll be seeing you on the next video. God bless you.